Hello. Hello, nak. Congrats, nakakaanak na kayo ni Rick. Sana maligayang malagaya para sa inyong dalawa ni Rick. Congrats. Love you.
Hello, sister. Happy ako na magkakababy ka na. Yan ang pangarap mo. Congrats sa inyong mag-asawa. Ingat ka palagi. I love you so much.
Hello, my sister. I'm so happy for you because your dream of having a baby has finally come true. I also pray for this because I know it will make you happy. I love you so much and I hope it's a boy and also same face to Rick. Please don't get your face. I love you.
Hello, my sister Marilu. I miss you. Hello, Rick. Congrats. We are excited to see our baby. I hope it's boy, but it's okay if girl or boy. The important is the baby. Hello, bye.
Hi Ate Malo and Kuya Rick, congratulations. Super happy namin para sa'yo, para sa inyo. Tingin ko, ang baby ay boy. Team boy, team boy. Congratulations!
Hi, Tita Malo and Tita Rick. We are so happy because your dream came true.
And we hope that your baby is healthy and always stay safe.
Yes, and always stay safe.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
We love you so much, Tita Malo.
Both of you.
Yeah, and Tita Rick.
Hello, Tita and Tito Rick. We're so happy for both of you because we will have a child soon. I hope it's a baby boy and I hope your child is so healthy.
Hello, Ta. We are so happy na magkaka-baby ka na and sana yung baby mo healthy and well lang. Tapos mataba yung chubby yung dito, yung mataba yung pisngi. Tapos sana lalaki siya.
Sana uuwi na kayo, Ta. Thank you.
See
Love
you.
you. Miss you, Ta.
Hello naman.
Hello, Nang, may baby ka na. Ang class.